All right, so we are going to review our shapes. This is a a hexagon. I almost got confused. A hexagon. Say hexagon.
Hexagon.
Hexagon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners. Say hexagon.
Hexagon.
Thank you. What shape is this?
A circle.
A circle. This one's easier, isn't it? A circle. A circle has no sides and it has no corners. It's just a curvy line that goes round and round and round. Do you know this shape?
A square.
A triangle. Nice job. Show me with your fingers how many sides a triangle has. Nehemiah's got it. Nice job. 1, 2, 3. How many corners does it have? Look at the points. How many corners? 3. It's the same, right? The amount of sides is the same as the amount of corners. What is this shape?
It's a square.
This is a square, Nehemiah. This is a square.
Square.
Show me with your fingers how many sides a square has. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many corners does it have? It's the same. If it has 4 sides, it has 4 corners. All right, I saved some of the trickier ones. You know what this is?
Diamond.
A diamond. What is the first grade name for this, though? It's not a diamond when we're in first grade. This is a rhombus. Say rhombus.
Rhombus.
Say it again. Say rhombus.
Rhombus.
Rhombus, yeah. It looks like a diamond, but we call it a rhombus. Rhombus has how many sides? 4. Nice job. How many corners does it have?
1, 2, 3.
How many corners does this have?
4.
Excellent job. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. Perfect. What is this shape called? These are what the... Anybody? This is a trapezoid. Trapezoid. Say trapezoid.
Trapezoid.
Trapezoid. Nice job. How many sides does a trapezoid have?
4. 4.
It has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3.
4.
How many corners does a trapezoid have?
4.
It has 4. If it has 4 sides, it has 4 corners. Last review shape. What shape is this? All right, Prince, please sit down so we can focus.
I don't know.
What shape is this? Does anybody know? This is a rectangle. Rectangle. All right, keep it in one spot, please, Prince. Rectangle, absolutely.
Say, I said it, but I was on mute.
All right, very nice.
Joy was saying it, but we were on mute. Sorry.
Okay, yeah.
I was like, oh, she don't hear you. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Everyone's gonna be a mute in a sec. All right. Show me with your fingers how many sides a rectangle has.
4.
I don't see everybody's fingers.
Put him in the camera, Zoe. Can you see him in the camera?
Nice job. All right, show me with your fingers how many corners this rectangle has.
4.
Fingers. Fingers are so quiet. Whose fingers are talking? All right, nice work. All right. Today, Can everybody please turn off their microphones now? Please mute yourself.
Yes, but
Yeah, learn how to put this right here.
Nice work, almost there. I'm gonna ask. All right, thank you. Perfect, we are all set. So today we are gonna work on, Prince, honey, you have to sit down and keep it still, okay, buddy? Nope, we are not playing with Spider-Man. Thank you, sir. All right. So today we're gonna be working on making other shapes with the shapes that we already have. Raise your hand if you've been practicing making the tangrams and moving the shapes around on the computer. Raise your hand if you've been practicing that. So you've been doing some of the math activities? Excellent. Let me share my screen with you and show you what I am talking about. Raise your hand if you've done something like this. Some of you have. All right, I'm just going to move you guys over a bit. Hold on. Okay. So what we are going to do today is we are going to learn and to think about the different ways we can make these shapes, but building the same shapes. How can we do this 2 different ways? Let's think about how we figure out what shapes to put in. How can we figure out what shape might go here? What should we look at? Raise your hand. What should we look at if we think we know what shape goes in there? Anybody have an idea? I see some attributes.
A triangle. A triangle.
Yeah, raise your hand so I can call on you. Prince, what do you think,
Triangle.
Prince? A triangle. How do you know it's a triangle?
Because he got 2 sides.
Okay, there's 2 sides. How many sides does a triangle have, Prince?
4.
A triangle? This is a triangle right here. How many sides does a triangle have?
3.
3 sides. Does it look like with this? Can you visualize or see a triangle that would fit here?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, make sure you're mute now. Zoe, can you mute? Prince, go ahead and mute. Thank you. So I'm going to use the attributes that I know to put it there. Oh, I love it. Nice job. Can you think of another shape that might fit inside of here? What other attributes could you look at and think about what shapes we can use? If you think you know a shape that can go in there, raise your hand. What do you think? Nehemiah, what shape could I use? I love how your hand is raised. Unmute. What shape do you think I could use? If you're not ashamed, show me what color.
What color is the shade that you want to use? He's pointing to it, but you can't see his finger. What color is it?
Yeah, Nehemiah, what color shape? Nice and loud, Nehemiah.
Blue.
Blue? This is a rhombus. Let's see. Do you think a rhombus could fit here? Touch your nose if you think Nehemiah can see a rhombus. I think so. Let's see. Maya, I love how you noticed that. He looked at the attributes. I noticed this point right here. All right. Who can think of a shape? Look at this right here. I can visualize or picture a shape that might go here. I like how Zoe's hand is up. I know she is visualizing it too. Zoe, what shape do you think could go here? You know how to unmute, Zoe? Yeah, Zoe.
Tell her now.
All right, Zoe. What? Trapezoid? This one. Now let's look. If I put it like this, is that gonna work? Is that gonna work? Yes or no, Zoe?
No.
No. What do you think I have to do?
Turn it around.
Turn it around. Let's see. Whoops. Tell me when to stop, okay? Whoa.
Stop.
Okay.
You
I'm gonna
gotta
move it
be
up.
Louder than that.
Whoa, look at that. Zoe figured it out. All right, so now I want you to think about what shapes could go in here. What do you think? What other shapes could we use? See, Nehemiah has his hand up.
Me.
What shape could we use? Raise your
know.
hand. Prince, what do you think?
A blue shape.
A blue shape. Prince, do you know the name of this? You talked about it in class.
I don't know.
Rhombus. Say rhombus.
Rhombus.
Where should I put it?
Right here.
Down here?
Yeah.
Or right
Yeah.
here? Which,
Yes.
this one? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, right here. Yeah.
Look at that. I am noticing other attributes that you could do. Look at this. What shape does this look like? Raise your hand. What shape could I use for any of this space? Everyone's hand should be up. If you're not sure of the name, you can always tell me what color shape you want. What do you think? Sayer or Sinai? Which shape should I use?
She called.
Can you think of one? What color shape should I use, Sayer or Sinai? Want me to use, did you say triangle? What shape?
Triangle.
Triangle? All right, do you see where it could go? Whoa,
Yes.
oh my goodness, are your eyes, look at that. Look at that attribute. Right, what's another shape I could try? Zoe, do you see another shape I could try?
Around this.
A rhombus. Let's see, where should I put the rhombus? The top or the bottom?
It's always
The bottom. Look at that. It's a perfect fit. You're very good at visualizing. Come on, think. What shape could I use? Look at, I am noticing something right here. This reminds me of another shape that's here. Do you see that? What color is that shape? That might fit this size. You don't know? Nehemiah, do you want to help out? Go ahead. Now I see. What did you say, Nehemiah? What color shape? Look at, what do you see here? I can visualize. Look at that. Look at that fit. Do you see how it will fit right in there? So Nehemiah, visualize for this last part. What's this? Ooh, I see a few people see it.
Me.
What is it?
Nehemiah?
Me.
Oh. What color shape should I use? Green? What's
Yeah.
the name of this shape?
I know.
Go ahead, Nehemiah. What shape is that? It is a triangle. Look at that. High five, everybody. Ready?
Yeah. Triangle.
Yes. So now we are going to make, hold on, I gotta shrink you guys. We have to make this shape out of different ones though. So we can make this shape, but we can make it a different way. Who wants to tell me what, who wants to tell me what shape I should use?
Me.
Prince, what shape should I use?
A triangle.
A triangle. Remember, it has to be different than this shape. So because I know there's no triangles over here, I'm going to move this triangle over here.
Yeah.
Different from this one. All right. What other shape could I use? What shape could I use? Sayer? Or Sinai? Sorry. Unmute.
Triangle.
Another triangle?
Yes.
All right. Let's see, where should I put it? Oh, I don't have a triangle over on this side, so let's put it in the same spot over there. Is that different than the first shape?
Yes.
It is. All right. What other shape? Zoe, what shape should I use? Nehemiah, you're a rhombus. Where should I put the rhombus? The top, the sides, or the bottom?
The side.
The sides. Let's see. Oh, is it going to fit?
No.
What do I have to do?
Turn it around.
All right, tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Nice work. You have very good visualization. Nice work. All right, what other shape could we use? Nehemiah, what shape could we use?
Red.
The red shape? The red shape, that is a trapezoid. Should I put the trapezoid up in the top, the side, or the bottom? What do you think? The bottom. So if I put it down here, is that gonna, oh, look it, I could put it right there. Whoa. What other shapes do you see?
I got it.
Camilla, what shape is this right here? A triangle. So I could move the triangle there. Good visualization.
Triangle.
So what could I put right here? What shape can you visualize right there?
Me.
Oh, you're frozen. What shape could you put right here? Can anybody see it?
Square.
A square? Let's see. It looks kind of long, a little pointy. To me, it looks like a rhombus. So let's see. It kind of looks like it's the up and down, like what we know is a perfect diamond, right? You see how it might fit right there? Can you visualize that? All right. What's next? Sayer, Sinai, give me a shape name. What should I try? Go ahead. What shape? Should we do a hexagon, a trapezoid, a rhombus, or a triangle?
Triangle.
Another triangle. Where should I put it?
Right here.
Right here? Or right here?
Right here.
This one?
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yes.
No, I have to turn it around. Look at it sticking out and I have a gap. No gaps, no overlaps. Turn it. Oh my goodness. I am going to do one thing, and I want you to see what one shape could fit this one. Can you visualize what shape would go there? Oh, look at those hands go up. Camilla, what shape could I use? What? This one? Yeah, the hexagon. A brain match if you thought it was a hexagon too. Absolutely. All right, let's fit it. Whoa, great visualization. Did I make the same big shape? Yes. Did I use different? Did I use different ways to do it?
Yes.
Absolutely. So what I want you to do today is to do something just like that. Under Wednesday for your math lesson, this is where you're going to go. You can watch this little video, and then down here is what you have to turn in. It says interactive 2D picture. So you're going to click on that. And you have the shapes to work on. All right, this first one, you can build in it. And then this one, you can fill it in with all the different shapes. You click and you drag. So this is more practice. I want you to look at this bottom one. Okay. Look on that bottom one. I'm going to move those over. That's silly. Your job is drag and drop the shapes to fill in the missing composite cacti. Try not to use the same pattern for both plants. So you need to fill this one in differently and this one in differently. So if you're going to use the hexagon for this one, don't use the hexagon for this one. You might have to use different shapes. Oh, that one's too small. I wonder if I can make it bigger. Oh, yeah. Okay, you have to make them different ways. Yes? You understand? Yes, thank you. I love it. All right, so your job as first graders is to go to, get it back up, the Wednesday folder of Schoology. Click on the math lesson. And then you're going to click on this down here. If this isn't on yours, up here, there's different pages. You'll be able to, because this is the teacher view, you'll be able to see different tabs up on yours where that's where your the 2D slide might be for you. Okay. So if it is not down here, this is where it is on mine. Yours might be up here. Okay. So click on Wednesday. Make sure on Wednesday, math. And then you're going to look for the interactive 2D pictures. It might be up on these tabs. So check it out. That's what I want you to turn in today. Okay, once you open it up, it puts your name on it and I can see what you're working on. So make sure you are working on it the last page with the cactus. That's what I want you to see. Make it 2 different ways. Okay, give me a thumbs up if you're good. All right, you get to play around moving shapes and you get to watch this really cool video too. It's fun. All right. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen. I could just see your beautiful faces. Again, better, even better now. All right, so I look forward to seeing how you make your cacti 2 different ways. That's your job. You got it? You got it? Yeah, I know you do. All right, make it 2 different ways, turn it in, and I will see you later. It was great seeing everybody's face today. Bye.
Bye.